Hello, hi. My name is Jonathan Vincent,
I am Muhammad Faujan Umar.
and we're Team 5 for Game Engine Tools Development here at USC. For starters, we thought we'd show off a quick demo of what we have here in Prime Engine. And as you can see, we've got some colors, colored lights, and we've got a few, maybe you can't see it, but we have key presses. And right now, Pleasant's having a hard time making up his mind about something. But we're going to show you a little bit about how we put this together. So yeah, here we go. For starters, we created a struct system for soldiers here in Prime Engine, and we created a script editor for Last Milestone where we can use Lua script and we can create custom attributes, which used to take a long time, but now through a new system, it's much better pipeline. But this time, we've added in the ability to create a visual scripting system. So, Fosun, why don't you explain?
So here we have a visual scripting system. Now let's see, we delete this thing. It's supposed to be not here. So here we have a struct shoulder. It's a struct here. We have access all the variables. We can get all variables like let's set the health and make a constant, a float constant, make it 100. And this simple script will set the shoulder in the start as a value of health. It's 100. Okay, here we go. Now here another script, which is like very big script, it's very large. It's not that hard. I mean, the logic is not that difficult. Here I set the halt decreasing by the delta time. It's halt, and here it's check whether it's target X, Y, and Z, which is all this is variable, with shoulder moving to target move, and check the distance, and if it's less or more than 1.01, sorry, 0.01, it will like move to that direction with setting like turning direction and set the position, which is like getting the direction. And also like this is a playing the animation, and if it's not, if it's already in the position, it will like playing the stand animation here. So here all the script, all the script for a soldier struct. Now Jonathan will explain about the level script.
Okay, so in addition to level struct-based scripts, we also added the idea of we added a definition for a level manager, and we added a very similar system for creating level-based scripts. And as you can see, you got this very similar begin, update, end nodes like you would expect in something like Unity. And then we created another system here where you check for keys. Here we're checking if like a key that's pressed. Well, right now here we're checking every time a key gets pressed, we print what key that is. It's just a debug thing for now. And then here we're checking, like for instance, earlier we had when I was moving Fulton left and right, we had a string Q, and we had another string E to move him left and right. And as you can see, we're doing a little bit of debug printing, and we've got a bit of branching happening. And then we're breaking apart the vectors and putting them back together. But yeah, this is our simple node editor that we created for this update. I think we wrote it using mostly Qt.
Yeah, Qt and Python, PySide too, right?
PySide, and we use some JSON in order to.
JSON. All the nodes here is in JSON definition, so you can edit and add nodes by yourself using JSON format.
Right. So actually, to give you a better idea, we have this picture here of how our system works.
Yeah. So here is Maya. We have a node editor and struct editor, which is like Jonathan saw us before. It's like struct and also node editor, and we have also level editor and exporting system and single boot, which is in the previous milestone, and we have a shorter definition. And here our node editor will generate the Lua script, which is like going to a game engine, and also struct editor also create the JSON format for that, and will go to Maya after it's read it by the struct reader to make a properties editor.
So yeah, all of that together leads to our final runtime, and basically that's how we have script editing and visual script editing working in PrimeEngine. So once again, I'm Jonathan Vincent.
My name is Alan Pojanumar.
And thank you for watching our video.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.